It's about to go down.
Ooh, when the water's so blue.
Just a quick reminder that you're doing amazing. It's okay if things don't always go as planned, because every day is a chance to learn and grow. Sometimes life feels hard, but remember, you have everything inside you to handle it. Even small steps are steps in the right direction.
Good morning, guys. It is Saturday and it's a new vlog. I think that today I'm going to do a daily vlog. So let's see how the day goes, because I know that today we're going to do a whole heap of antics and I'm going to bring you guys with you, and it's maybe going to be too much for the weekly vlog. So let's see. I'm going to go to Puerto Seco with the girls. I am all ready and packed, and guess what, guys? And that's just me to know, because about 5 times I upload the video and it's talking about copyright, and I just had to take out one section of the video because I say, you know what? And right now in the 82, the girls them ready, and I still wait on it for export. And then when they export now, I have to upload it. Now the good thing is I don't have to wait until they upload. I can check my phone when I'm on the way. So that is that. The girls them said they want sandwich. I'm telling them I make the sandwich. Because I know them might take so long, I made tuna sandwiches. And let me show you. So these are all what I'm going to bring and put in the car. I wasn't going to bring any bag, but I said, you know what, let me bring this just in case I don't want to walk around with this and it's going to stay in the car. And then I need to bring my key. I think I may just bring the spare key and tell one of the girls to hold on upon it, because they know me and the key. Yeah, so I'm going to bring the spare key and give one of them to hold on. And then I'm going to pin the other one on my bag. I'm saying all this to say that the girl is outside. Yes, we're outside. And I'm going to pack the car right now. Yeah. Gym bag coming handy. Yeah. I bring an extra change of clothes just in case. But I just want to wear something just simple and light. Because I beat you, so we don't need to do all that. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Say hi for the camera, guys.
Hi. So did you ask for permission?
That is the permission of you saying hi to the camera.
Hey, camera. Camera, could I say hi to me too?
It did say hi.
It did?
Yeah, and it turned on it. Oh, well, then. Take out one key in there, so somebody responsible taking a spare key.
The spare key to the car?
Yeah, yes. Are you really £5.22?
Yeah, with that fair plan.
Yeah, you do that?
Yeah, hold on.
This song,
Only can't get this, I get enough. The dial ready from 8 o'clock, Only can't get this, I get from 6 o'clock already.
No, man. No, man, I have to stop and get my pants door. I'm alone now, partner.
Why?
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. My bitch, give me a do it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Last habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. I'll be grown when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. You just too me lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. You can try to run and hide, it won't make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying less on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion, make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you
Tell me I'm just getting all of mine.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show.
So you can't carry juice neither. We eat some of my oily food. And the glasses. Can you get it in her breast? She have it in her hat.
The angels are listening. I don't know why they catch my words.
Oh dear, you want to? I'm going to make some kids laugh. No, but to Shana go on. I believe in support with that support.
Here behind. What's their business any fucking? They're not going to believe it. They're not going to believe it. They're not going to believe it.
Me I walk wide, me no know. Tapos yan after na lang, ano?
Stay up here. We can get away from these beach views on a night day. All I wanna
Now people them get through with the food, them can't carry them no way, you know.
Why you all up in my business?
Oh, the songs, oh, the baby song go again?
Fatty belly beat.
No, I don't. The baby song.
Let's see again. Baby mama.
Do your song, yeah. There you go. We still on it. Way too long.
Put it on. Drop it down, drop it down. Ooh! To the water, girl, to the water. When the water's so blue. Pretty? It's so beautiful out here. Oh, you have to know this girl. This is so pretty.
But like, give me a jump. 1, 2, 3, go. One more time. One more time. 1, 2, 3.
Jump fat.
Hold on. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Pretty, you see? Oh no, want to go over there? You want to go in that pool? Some bread them there. It look like Bigfoot pass through. Because when me ask the one Shana if take my picture, I'll know. More picture too.
Let me take you, yeah. There's music, that's why I can't really talk much in the video. 666. If you want 666. No, what I would say, I can't lift you up. I don't want to lift up the bird right now.
They look different. They look like the same thing.
Picture again. Nothing. Just swing past.
Turn it up. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. This is for all the imitators, perpetrators, and haters. Turn it up. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One up this time. Freeze!
Everybody clap your hands.
It's fantastic. You can put my hair and chase me everywhere. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Hold on. Barbie.
No selector. Transition.
Transition. Work on the transition.
What you told me I got me. I never had nobody do me like you. I was the kind of guy that tried to dog you out. I ain't the kind of guy that tried to make me out. What you have to do? Turn to my baby. I showed them all the niggas how to be a lady. I let you try to ride down the Mercedes and I ain't jumping out the crazy. I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you can show me in a special way. I feel when you hold me, you don't always be together, baby. What you told me, I don't believe it. I never had nobody do me like you.
Thought I wasn't you. Looking around this room, this moment is so real. Knows how I feel. Where have you been? Nobody knows me like you.
You do whatever I want, give whatever I want, give whatever I need. It's about love, love, love. Long as we got love, love. Long as we got love, gave you my number, did it with you.
She punk out.
Love on my lady, love to my lady.
Guys, me back up because when I do it, I can't touch the bottom of the ground and my anxiety would have killed me. So we just not back. I want to know say me in control, and when you don't want to, basically in control, and the wind, the wave is kind of rough. And we're not doing it. No, we're not doing it. Never call me a bug, but so they might have fun, yes, but I can't bother sometimes. And then the top of me, they go wait up. I can't bother. Cannot bother. Not do it. I think she chat me never say. Oh. Watch out. They wait for them, there's no help. Watch some of them, man. Watch them. Hey, so they keep proud of herself, you know. And the only way they can see, you know, we life jacket.